First question. Sophia has been designed by Ethiopian engineers and is an example of limited memory AI type. This question is false because Sophia is an example of theory of mind AI and young Ethiopians have contributed. So the answer of first question is false. Second, when apps move from the cloud back to on-premises, it is known as cloud repatriation. The answer is true. When apps move from future trends of networks, cloud repatriation is when apps move from cloud back to on premises. So the answer of the second question is true. Third, real-time processing is most useful when dealing with very large data sets that require quite a bit of computation. The answer of this question is false because batch processing is most useful for very large data sets that require much computation, and real-time processing is best for small, rapidly and changing data sets. So the answer is false. Question number 3. The answer is false. Question number 4. Data duration involves key activities concerned with annotating data so that it becomes easily accessible, discoverable, and fit for purpose. The answer of question number 4 is true. Data duration is the active management of data to ensure it is discoverable, accessible, and reusable fit for the purpose. The answer of question number 4 is true. Question number 5. Self-serving cars are an example of reactive machines artificial intelligence. This one is false. Self-serving cars are an example of limited memory AI. Reactive machines, but example of reactive machines examples are IBM's Deep Blue, Alpha, and such like that is examples of reactive machines. But self-serving cars are an example of what? Limited memory. So the answer is false. The answer of question number 5 is false. Let us go to multiple choice questions. Question number 5. Question number 1. Which of the following is not future trend of networks? Future network. 5G is one of them. Embedded competition, network developments in computing years, embedded competition. Rise of centralization is not future trends. instead of rise of centralization, decentralization is there. Decentralization. So the answer is B. Question number 1, the answer is B. Question number 2, which of the following is regarded as a smart revolution? A. Information revolution. B. Agricultural revolution. C. Industrial revolution or secondary revolution. D. Knowledge revolution. I would like to say this answer A. Information revolution, and check it from your module for more clarification. And question number 3, which of the following factors is not considered as a driver of information revolution? A. The growth of information-based occupation. B. The invention of artificial intelligence. C. The widespread of cheap personal computers. D. The advent of the internet. The answer is B. The invention of artificial intelligence. Those A, C, and D are mentioned under information revolution. So the answer is B. Question number 4. A device that provides interfacing, data communication, signal processing, and other key similar functionalities is A. Microprocessor. B. Memory device. C. Logic device. D. Network device. The answer will be logic device. Logic device provides interfacing, data communication, signal processing, timing, and control. So the answer will be C. Logic device. For question number 4, the answer is C. Logic device. Question number 5. Stage of industrial revolution characterized by use of IoT, AI, and big data technologies to the industry that will allow the intelligent product. The intelligent product: A. Industry 1. B. Industry 2 mean Industrial Revolution 2. C. Industrial Revolution 3. D. Industrial Revolution 4. The answer will be D. Industrial Revolution 4, related with by IoT, AI, big data, cyber physical, and etc. related to Industrial Revolution 4. So the answer is D. Question number 6. The bidirectional information flow between a human brain and a machine is referred to as A. Neuromodulation. B. Social computing. C. Human-machine interface. D. Brain-computer interface. Question number 6. The answer is D. Brain-computer interface allows bidirectional information flow between a human brain and an external device. The answer will be D. Brain-computer interface. Question number 7. Agricultural mass production technologies were invented during dash period? A. Industrial Revolution. B. First Agricultural Revolution. C. Second Agricultural Revolution. D. Third Agricultural Revolution. The answer will be C. Second Agricultural Revolution. Alongside Industrial Revolution, Agricultural Revolution introduced mass crop production technologies. So the answer is C. Second Agricultural Revolution. Question number 8. Poorly designed human-machine interface can lead to many unexpected problems. All can be classic example except A. 3 Mile Island accident in US. B. A nuclear meltdown accident. C. Accident in aviation industries. D. Explanation of chatbot. The answer will be D. Explanation of chatbot. Poor human-machine intervention design causes 3 Mile Island accidents in USA, a nuclear meltdown accident. C. Accidents in aviation industries. Those are related with unexpected problems because of poorly designed human-machine interface. So the answer would be D. Explanation of chatbot is not related with poorly designed human-machine interface problems. Question number 9. All are characteristics that determine the quality of information except A. Timely. B. Accuracy. C. Completeness. D. Inconsistency. This one is incorrect. Instead of inconsistency, the related quality of information is consistency. Question number 10. The goal of most big data system is to save cost. B. To reduce complexity. C. To surface insight. D. To secure data. For question number 10, the answer is to surface insight. Goal of big data may be to save cost, to reduce complexity, to secure data. C is not related with goal of big data system. So the answer will be C. Question number 11. If you select one photo in your phone and see details like the size, type, location, and image captured date, this is A. An integer data. B. A metadata. C. Semi-structured data. D. Unstructured data. The answer will be B. Metadata, which is data about data. When we see details like size, type, location, and image captured dates, that's related with metadata, which is data about data. Question number 12. Which of the following is wrong about data type? A data type is an attribute of data in integers, booleans, and floating point number. B. A data type is about the structure of data such as structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. C. A data type is the structure of the data for computer programming. D. A data type is data about data in metadata. The answer will be D. Wrong about data type. This one is meaning of metadata, so it is not about data type, so this will be the answer. Question number 13. What are different activities of big data lifecycle? A. Ingesting data. B. Persisting data. C. Computing and analyzing data and visualizing results. B. Acquisition, analysis, curation, storage and usage. C. Veracity, variability and value. D. Input, processing, output. The life cycle of big data. The answer will be question number 13. The answer is A. Ingesting data, persisting data, computing and analyzing data, and visualizing results will be the answer. Question number 13. Question number 14. With respect to computing and analyzing big data, one of the following tools is different. A. Apache Store. B. Apache Hadoop MapReduce. C. Apache Flink. D. Apache Spark. So the answer will be B. Apache Hadoop MapReduce. Apache Hadoop MapReduce is a batch processing method. Apache Storm, Flink and Spark are for real-time processing. So the answer is Apache Hadoop MapReduce. Those A, C, and D are related. So the different one is Apache Hadoop MapReduce. Question number 15. Which one of the following are applications of chatbots? A. Google Assistant. B. Google Home. C. Siri in iPhone. D. None of the above. Google Assistant and Google Home are application of chatbot. Maybe C is not so. So the answer would be A and B. There is no option like this, so we are forced to choose choice D. Dash require intelligence to handle tasks such as object manipulation and navigation. Dash require intelligence to handle tasks such as object manipulation and navigation, along with sub-problems of localization, motion planning, and mapping. So the answer is B. Question number 17. Most common and currently available AI system is narrow intelligence, general intelligence, super intelligence, theory of mind are not most common and currently available in AI? So the answer will be narrow intelligence. Narrow intelligence is the most common and currently available type of AI. The answer is B. Question number 18. Which of the following doesn't belong to components of AI system? A. Models, B. Data, C. Hardware, D. Programming languages. The answer is B. Data. Components of an AI system are hardware or software, and programming languages, models. Data is not mentioned, so the answer is B. Question number 19. Which of the following AI system has beaten world's chess champion? A. AlphaGo, B. Deep Blue, C. Siri, D. Watson. The answer of question number 19, B. Deep Blue. Deep Blue is reactive machine that beat the world chess champion. So the answer will be B. Deep Blue. Question number 20. All are AI applications in the agricultural sector except A. See and spray robot, B. Harvest crew robotics, C. Crop and soil monitoring, D. IBM Watson analysis. The answer is D. IBM Watson analysis is related with health sector. So the answer is D. Question number 1, part 3. Dash is a discipline concerned with the design, evolution, and implementation of inactive computing systems for human use and with the study of major phenomena surrounding them. The answer will be human-computer interaction. Human-computer interaction. Question number 2. A technology that enables machines to analyze, understand, and manipulate images, video is known as. The answer would be virtual reality. This is confused with video vision, but I said this one, virtual reality. Check it from your module. Question number 3. Dash is a science and engineering of making machines to think and act humanly. This one is AI. Question number 3 will be AI. Question number 4. The two methods of computing for big data processing are batch processing and real-time processing. Question number 4, batch processing and real-time processing. Question number 5. 3 V's of big data are volume, velocity, and variety. Volume, velocity, and variety. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for to get more video like this.